Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the podcast. Today, we have a delightful journey ahead, diving deep into the world of introductions. Whether you're at a business meeting or trying to make friends, the right phrases can really transform your interactions.
I totally get it. I mean, have you ever just been stuck in, the most awkward silence ever when meeting someone new? It's the worst.
Absolutely. Imagine you're at a lively social event and you meet someone for the first time. What's the first thing you say? You start with a simple introduction. Hi, my name is Alex. It's clear, confident, and friendly.
So that's basically like the golden rule of any social interaction, right? It's like the opening act before the main event or something?
Exactly. It's about keeping it light. After that, a perfect follow-up is, "Nice to meet you." Let me share a little story. The first time I introduced myself at a conference, I was nervous. But when I confidently said, "Nice to meet you," the energy shifted. Their faces just lit up.
Oh wow, that's like instant positivity. But wait, what comes next? Do we just dive into, our entire life story or something? Haha.
Not quite. You want to keep it conversational. After you introduce yourself, you can ask, "Where are you from?" This simple question opens up avenues for deeper discussion.
Right. So it's like you're inviting them into, your intro drama? That's a really interesting way to put it. Laughs.
Exactly. And asking about their background is key. If someone mentions they're from another country, you could say, "No way, I've always wanted to visit that place. What's it like?" This not only shows interest, but opens up exciting conversations about travel.
Oh, I love that. It's like following a roadmap to instant connection. But then, when do we bring up our jobs or hobbies? I'm curious about that.
Great thought. You can weave that in naturally. After asking about their background, share something like, "I'm a graphic designer." This keeps the exchange balanced.
Can you give me an example of what to say right after they tell you where they're from? I'm really curious.
Sure. If they say they're from Seattle, you might respond with, "Oh, Seattle. I love the coffee scene there. What do you do?" It's all about intimately connecting through your introductions.
That's so smart. It's like a friendly duel of introductions. Party popper. Oh, and are there any phrases we should, definitely avoid?
Definitely. Keep it simple. Avoid complicated phrases. Something like, "What are your hobbies?" is perfect. It keeps everything light and engaging.
Got it. So if someone says they collect rare stamps, how should we react? Because, my brain is racing here.
Oh, you could respond, "Wow, really? That sounds fascinating. What's the rarest stamp you have?" Digging deeper like that shows genuine interest and can lead to some incredible storytelling.
Ugh, I get it. Each question is like a ticket to a new adventure. This truly is exciting. So it all flows together, huh?
Exactly. Speaking of flow, we have a fun speaking challenge coming up later in the episode where you can practice these phrases. Get ready for that.
Yay, I can't wait. But, is there anything else we should keep in mind when meeting new people? I want to nail this.
Absolutely. Remember to always bring a smile. It's welcoming. And don't forget about body language. Open posture makes a huge difference.
Wow, this feels like a mini workshop on social skills. I'm genuinely pumped. Laughs.
Haha, that's the spirit. Let's maintain this momentum. All right, folks, get ready for the speaking challenge. Repeat after us and let's put those nerves to rest.